Okay, there we go.
Well, very excited indeed to share this build with you. What is it? Well, it's a Raleigh 531C Gran Course done in these Panasonic colours. Very beautiful indeed, and I've had this frame for quite some time. Just didn't know what it was going to develop into. So, let's talk about what we're doing, why we're doing it. We're actually going to be building this up as a Neo Retro build, my personal bike. And the reason being is because I have had nothing but trouble with my 11-speed Shimano group set. It was actually on 2 carbon bikes, and over the last 12 months I've had 4 chain snaps. Not very nice regards to actually going out and having a ride. So my confidence has gone with that 11-speed Shimano, and for me it's not sustainable at all because I'm constantly fixing and fiddling with them bikes. Recently went out on a nice Rossing bike with 9-speed Campagnolo, and it's a fantastic ride. I'm now nearly 50, so I'm not breaking any records. So what I'm going to do is build my dream rally bicycle. I say dream because as a kid I actually started cycling on these colours on the Raleigh Team Cadet. We did actually have one of them on the channel, which we built into a single speed. Some of you may not approve. And we also did the Raleigh Team Corsa, which kick-started the channel off, and it's still hanging on the wall just there. Very original indeed, and it had the golden arrow on it. So I've still got that, but these colours are very personal to me, and really happy that I actually got this 531C frame set. And yes, what are we going to do with it? Well, as I say, I took a bike out at Rossing with 9-speed. That was fantastic. So what we're going to do is Campagnolo all the way through, and we're going to 9-speed. The components are on the side there. I'll just run you through what we've got. We've got some Mirage front mech, rear mech, and also the levers. Like the levers because they actually had metal bits on rather than plastic. We've also got the crankset, which is a chorus crankset, and we've also got some fantastic Campagnolo C-Record Delta calipers. However, because this is going to be my daily ride, this is going to be my go-to bicycle, what I've decided to do was get some chorus skeleton brakes, very lightweight, work fantastic, and they are also very adjustable and easy to access, unlike the Deltas. So yes, the Deltas do look great, but they're not as practical for this build. So I'm actually going to go with the skeleton brakes. We've also gone with a Ritchie Classic finishing kit. So we've got the seat post, the handlebars, and also the stem. We're actually going up to 31.8mm bars just to give it that chunkier solid feel, but they're done in the chrome to give it that classic look. It's going to look amazing, I can't wait. We've also got 2 sets of rims behind us here. We've got some brand new old stock profile rims and also some Mavic rims, and we've got some C-Record hubs. We're going to be building up with 32 and also 36 hole rims, and we're going to have our good friend Pete Matthews, master wheel builder, to actually build them wheels up. So not only have we got him, the master wheel builder, to build our wheels, we've got a great group set to put together, and it's very personal to myself. I can't wait to get going. So we're going to take our time, a little bit of different format. We're straight into the build here. So what we're waiting for, let's crack on and get building this bike. was an absolute pleasure to put together, and it looks amazing. It feels like Christmas Day. To have this frame brought to the modern day, it just feels fantastic. It really does bring back a lot of childhood memories, and I can't wait to get this bike out, so hang around for that. Going through the build itself, we've got obviously the Campag 9-speed Mirage rear mech here on brand new wheels, kindly built by Pete Matthews. Cannot fault his standards. So yes, we've got the wheel set which is on here, this Mavic set with the Victoria Corsa 25mm tyres, and we've also got another set here of wheels which are the profile ones with the actual, we've got some black tyres on here which are Continental G5000s, 25mm again, so we've actually got them on, and a brand new cassette as well to roll on. Crankset, that looks amazing. It's 10-speed, it goes very well with this 9-speed, no problems or issues at all with that. And the calipers, they work fantastic and look very classic indeed. We've got the Ritchie finishing kit with the brand new roll saddle. That looks very nice indeed, and we've got a saddle bag on there as well. Reason being, we don't actually have another water bottle cage on here, so I'm going to have the spare tube and stuff in there. And it looks great. We've got the 31.8mm bars, but it looks very classic indeed. All new old stock gear, so this bike should ride like brand new. I can't wait. The water bottle, yes, we have one here, and obviously it's in keeping and matching as well, so it's actually a Panasonic one. So yes, let's get this in and finish it off. Brilliant. Well, all that's left to do now is get this bike out and try it out. I do have some matching kit here to get ready in. We've got some winter stuff, so I'll be probably using the actual black tyres on this. But yes, let's get it out and try it out. I cannot wait. Well, this has been the Raleigh 531C in Panasonic colours. Absolute childhood dream bike, and I am absolutely loving it. Been fantastic to get out on such a winter's day, grab a few hours of sun. This is one bike though I will be using in the summer, so very excited about that. I've changed the handlebar stem to 100, feels a lot better. The 130 was definitely too long. Big thank you to Pete Matthews for all his help. He's an absolute legend. So yes, very happy indeed. It's like Christmas Day, to be honest. It's put a massive smile on my face. Big thank you to you guys for all your support and for watching, and just hope that you're all okay. Thanks so much for watching, and bye for now. Thanks very much.
How's the ride so far, Andrew?
I'm loving the bike.
He's loving the bike. He's
like
loving the
Christmas
bike.
Day.
It's like Christmas Day all over.